Where's Gunner? Outside?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
He was there 2 minutes ago. He's still there.
I gotta turn this off. But don't talk. What's going on? Skinny guy back here. We got our sneaker tubs. Aiden's came a week and a half ago. Mine came today. Okay, so Aiden's box. This is Aiden's last box. He stopped his subscription. He got 3 months worth of shoes. He's got 6 pairs. So he's ready to go for school. So let's get into it. Aiden's box. First things first, Stan socks. Nice white design. All right, we got a t-shirt here. DGK. Ooh, another t-shirt. Yeah, this is a nice shirt too. So holy man. Another satchel. Not bad. That's a good little bag, man. Right? What else? The famous staple in every box, your sneaker cleaner. Okay, so I think all we got left are his shoes. So here we go. Pumas. I think he's gotten a pair of Pumas every time. Every box he's gotten a pair of Pumas. Last 2 pairs of Pumas he got, he really liked. So here comes his last pair of Pumas. Leather on this side.
Why don't you move back and like put it? Why wouldn't you just keep it here?
Okay.
Keep it there.
All right. Leather on. Nice shoe, man. I like it. Yellow. What are they called? They're the Clyde. He obviously likes them. He's already worn them. I think his box is better than my box. Ooh, another pair of Pumas. In a bag. These must be fancy. Ooh, watch out. These ones are fancy. All right. You guys are going to see it before me. I don't know. I got a weird reaction on these things. These are like moon boots or something, man. So there's Aiden's box. So here's my box.
I'm so excited.
Shoe check. I'm rocking them, the Air Max 90s. Went to work, buddy of mine said, oh, I got those shoes at Sport Check, $80. I flew off my handle. So I wrote an email to SNEAKERTUB. They got back to me. I pretty much ate my words. I had to apologize to her, the lady. Sorry, I jumped the gun. Nah, this is not, thank you very much. I still look forward to getting my box. So either I'm getting a garbage box, because I was such a prick, or I'm gonna get a real good box, just to shut my mouth. So either way, I don't know, we're gonna see what happens here. Let's do it.
Why would you not cut it?
I don't know.
Why would you not cut it?
Because I have mixed emotions about this box right now. I have mixed emotions. I don't know what's gonna be like.
Oh shit. Oh, backpack.
Wow.
I need a new backpack.
For each bag sold, we plant a tree. Thumbs up on that one. Thumbs up on that one. there they are. The staple. Toast Malone. Oh!
Oh, I think I know what shoes you got.
Yeah? Liking this box so far. Didn't get the shaft like I thought I was gonna. Skinny guy. What are these?
I know what they are.
What?
I know what they are.
You know what they are?
I know what they are.
I'm glad you know what they are by the box, because I don't know what they are by the box. Okay, so let's show them.
Look at it. It's like a cool box. Look at the box. Look at the stuff on the box.
Oh yeah, it's got, oh yeah, eh? Oh,
I'm gonna get them on the table for you.
the anticipation is killing.
Okay.
Huh? I like them.
Nike.
React. Whoa, yeah, I like them. I've been walking on a cloud with these, eh? I haven't been dissatisfied with any of my sneaker boxes. I'm actually still going. Like the shoes, man. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Comment. And if you guys seen one of the videos before, we did have puppies. So it's puppy time on Skinny Guy. So there's gonna be a lot of videos of puppies. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys later.